How to remove or unfriend someone on Snapchat. First thing you have to do is open up your Snapchat application. And once you open up your app, if you want to unfollow or unfriend someone on Snapchat, you're going to have to head over to your chat section first. Or what you could do is tap on the profile at the top left. And then from here, tap on My Friends. From here, you'll be able to see your friend list. Select the profile which you want to unfriend. And once you land on this profile, all you have to do is tap on the three lines at the top right. And then from here, you have option to manage friendship. Tap on it. And then from here, you can remove friend. And once you have done that, you will successfully unfollow this person or unfriend this. And if they have any public profile, that will also be unfollowed. So if I go back, as you can see, that has been removed from my friend list and I've successfully unfollowed them. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.